Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Dasher Milestones on Doordash. Doordash has always looked for ways to increase value on their platform in one way or another. And one way they are looking to retain drivers is through the Dasher Milestone program. I have seen this in various ways in the past, of course. Doordash did what Doordash does to things of this nature, and it's never looked great. But we're gonna take a closer look. So in this video, we are talking about everything you must know about the Dasher Milestone program on Doordash, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market dependent, and what applies to me in my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Dasher Milestones perks are a way for us to thank you for your consistent hard work and dedication. Keep your eyes peeled as we continue to add more types of milestones down the road. They did reward Dashers for longevity on the platform in a few different ways in the past, but this is egregiously different. They rewarded drivers who helped them achieve their IPO with different cash bonuses based on the amount of deliveries you had completed at the time. I remember receiving a $500 bonus for having 5,000 deliveries, and another set of drivers with 10,000 or more deliveries had $1,200 or $1,300 in deposit from that specifically. Then for their 10-year anniversary, they rewarded a few Dashers with over 10,000 deliveries and had been on the platform for years with huge cash bonuses. And many Dashers were asking for a milestone similar to this, to where even if they're newer, they can still achieve those bonuses. Alas, this is their attempt to responding to those pleas. How does Dasher Milestones work? Every time you reach a new delivery milestone, earn a perk. You'll automatically be notified in the Doordash Dasher app. Perks can range from pro tips to help you make the most of every dash to exclusive offers, freebies, and discounts. Now, I have scoured the internet for a while and looked to see if there was any consistency with the milestone schedule, and it looks like they don't really have a set in stone schedule, but they do mention a few numbers in another article. There will be incentives to unlock at increasing increments. For instance, the perks gained at 25, 100, 500, 2,000, 5,000 and 10,000 deliveries are all different, and there are plenty of opportunities to receive more perks in between. Pretty convenient that they can easily say to one person how they will provide a bonus at 1,000, let's say, and the next person they give nothing until 2,500. I think these are the perks that are going to change market to market as opposed to during scheduled times, at least in the beginning, but still. Also, are they calling pro tips a perk that you could receive for the work you do? Like, good work for being a good bitch, here's some advice on being a better one? Are you serious? That's not a perk. If you guys need pro tips on how to become better at what you do, subscribe to a YouTuber that's doing the work. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to me, but there are so many that are out here. Subscribe to one that resonates with you specifically. Is Dasher Milestones the same as the Dasher Rewards program? They are different. Dasher Milestones is based on the number of deliveries you complete, while Dasher Rewards program is based on your Dasher rating. I actually made a video on the Dasher Reward system specifically. If you guys are looking for that, I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check that out. Do I need to enroll? Nope. Select active Dashers are automatically eligible to earn Dasher Milestones perks. Simply keep dashing towards your next milestone. I like how it is select active Dashers. Like, this isn't going to be for everyone, especially for veteran Dashers. And I wonder how select they were about it. Like, a certain psychological profile was built around who was willing to accept what. How long have you been driving for? How many perks would you have to give that person to maintain a certain amount of retention? All of these are great questions. Also, this is contradictory to their initial announcement investment. All Dashers will automatically be enrolled in Dasher's Milestones. So as soon as you start dashing, you'll be on your way to earning your first milestone perk. And it doesn't matter what type of dashing you do, whether you take on restaurant deliveries or shop and deliver orders, all completed offers count towards your progress. So why make the point about select dashers if everyone is on? Or is this based on a pilot program that has been released and this page is unedited since? If that is the case, we could confirm what their intentions were for this. They're looking for a way to increase the retention of drivers on the platform by adding elements that gamify the platform even further than it already has and engage the drivers into lesser paying gigs that will cost them even more money long term because they're not accepting quality orders, chasing after promos that don't mean anything. I live outside the US. Can I participate? Unfortunately, the Dasher Milestone program is currently limited to US Dashers only. However, it may eventually be expanded into other regions as well. Yeah, like I said in the beginning of this video, everything is market to market and case by case. So if you're not in the US, this isn't for you yet, but it very well can be. So if this is coming to you nowadays, this might be helpful for you when it does. How do I know when I have reached a milestone? Check the notification center bell icon in your Dasher app. Each time you hit a milestone, you'll be automatically notified there. Yeah, from what I could tell, there's no chart or schedule around the perks. I assume it is based on whatever partnerships they have at the time. And whatever they don't have, they can always just give you a pro tip on how to be a better slave for them. What types of perks can I earn? Exclusive discounts with our partners, auto maintenance, gas, groceries, freebies, discounts on your next DoorDash order, or tips to help you make the most out of every dash. Or, self-promotion works. I can speak for myself and say I almost never use DoorDash delivery for anything. In fact, I don't think I ever use DoorDash as a customer. I have driven for DoorDash, and I have found that most people who drive for DoorDash never use it either. Gas I would use. I doubt they'll be giving me a gift card for that. Auto maintenance, I doubt I will use it because I have a mechanic, and I will go to that mechanic long before I go to any of the chains. And those chains is normally the ones that promote these deals. You know what I'm saying? And in terms of grocery, why do I feel like that's gonna be from a store that I would never shop at? Like they'll give me a discount for groceries at Winn-Dixie or something, and there's like one Winn-Dixie in my area and I'll never go to it. Like that's what I'm thinking they'll try to do. That said, I did some digging to see what people are earning, and it's basically useless coupons for things no one wants or needs. Shock. That said, if you earned something useful, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Do perks expire? Expiration dates are dependent on the perk. Check the congratulatory message we send you for details, e.g. a promo code may expire by a certain date. If it wasn't obvious already, this is simply a sales gimmick with affiliate links or some sort of self-promotion to find ways for them to make or save money. That's really that simple. Where can I check my lifetime deliveries? You can see this in the ratings tab of your Dasher app. Your lifetime delivery number is updated each time you complete a dash. It should be at the bottom of your ratings page. And no, you can't reset it to achieve the same perks over and over again. Once you hit that 10,000, I think that's it for you. What's my next milestone? You'll receive a heads up from us when you get close to your next milestone. Check your notification center for details. Tell me you don't want to commit to a hard schedule without telling me. Seriously, if I wanted to work with something with commitment issues, I'll call my ex. What about all the milestones I've already achieved? While we're not able to offer perks for those impressive past achievements, you can definitely enjoy the perks that come with hitting future milestones. So if you're a veteran driver who's been on the platform for years and have well over 10,000 deliveries, you can fuck the hell off. In fact, they will find a way to wrongfully deactivate you in the very near future. You're probably too smart in their eyes, and you're probably a liability at this point. They don't need to build a sense of commitment with you because you already did the work for them. You're probably most likely a target for the next wave of mass deactivation anyway. This is clearly to sell products and make affiliate income in some way while also building the intrinsic habit within you to make you do more orders for them. Most likely at less than a good rate, but because your next perk is so close, they're expecting you to rush for it and settle for less. Are perks available outside of this program? Yes, we run periodic promotions, so be sure to keep an eye out for a wide variety of other special perks just for Dashers. In most cases, they are just as if not even more trashy than the last. Never chase promos. I've said it before and I will say it again. Promos should be icing on the cake, not the cake itself. Promotions should be treated as a reason for good orders to be great, not a reason for bad orders to be tolerable. That goes for peak pay. That goes for these promotions, challenges, streaks, whatever. This is yet another attempt to get more orders done without increasing the quality or the value of the orders they send to you. Not to mention that if you are an active enough driver, you will reach these milestones anyway, so there's no need to rush it. Better than nothing? Like I said, if you're an active enough Dasher, you will reach those milestones regardless. There are plenty of apps out there who not only don't do that, they don't keep track of the number of orders you do for them. Or worse, is that they do count them, but you really don't receive any real benefits for the amount of time or money you commit towards these companies. So in a way, I guess it is something. It is kind of just trash and not really what we need as drivers. So in a way, it is something, but it's kind of trashy and not what we actually need as drivers. Doordash MO. Now, among many concerns I have for this company is how they've been doing this and how they have earned a reputation for scamming their drivers and customers through past me. Referral links lead to referral fraud, wrongfully or rightfully, and deactivating both drivers and customers for it. So instead of getting that $500 you got for referring your buddy Jeff ended up getting deactivated, and so did you because they didn't want to pay it out. Families cashing in gift cards only to have their account deactivated for trying to use them. It doesn't matter if you're a firefighter who is injured and is recovering from being a firefighter, they will deactivate you unless you make enough noise in the news about it. That actually happened. These are all things that are happening in the gig economy. It's like DoorDash wants to offer these things to make them look good for being gracious, but if you dare use them, they will make your life a living hell trying to just use it. Kind of like a kid who cleans their room and it looks nice, so they want their mom and dad to see the work that they put in and acknowledge it. Meanwhile, they don't want their parents to look in the closet because then they'll see the pile of clothes and the filth just fall on them because that wasn't them cleaning their room, that was them looking like as if they did. Still not as good as multi-apping. Look, the reality is it doesn't matter what these promos are even worth, it's really irrelevant. It'll never be as good as multi-apping. So many people expect the wrong companies to do the right thing, and meanwhile, there are so many different apps that you could just sign up for and make more money that way. Not to mention contracts to win, exit strategies to make, and the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal. Don't be dependent on your activity or apps to make you money. Build businesses, invest your money, make deals with people, whatever that looks like. All of this and more is exactly what I talk about in the Driven Wyld Discord server. The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I partnered with high-level professionals to bring you some of the most exclusive benefits based on your personal needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings, more live streams with high-level professionals in our industry, educational systems designed to help you build your own delivery service provider, as well as other scalable opportunities. By the way, Driven Wyld is kicking off its Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course, and we are changing the game and transforming how businesses serve customers and how gig workers get more opportunities with you. So whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or an exit strategy, because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not simply the goal, and you'd like to see something with more growth potential and scalability, there is something here for you. Check the link in the description and get started with making the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.